What are you doing?
Just applying antibiotic ointment all around the outside of it.
Make it slide in there smooth and easy?
Yes, that's the plan.
All right.
Is it normal?
We're going to do the left one first, okay?
Pebble.
This is the most realistic model of a human.
You can't feel nothing. They don't know that stuff.
Alright, lay back for me.
But when they know, I'm not letting feel
More water in there. Alright, you ready for the other one?
Wait. Okay.
Alright, you ready?
emotional. Push it past.
Okay. I'm just going to spray the liquid in there, okay?
Lay
You
back.
lay back for me?
It didn't hurt me.
Lay back.
Lay back.
I didn't feel nothing.
I know, it's in your mouth, I'm sorry. There you go.
Jesus.
Ready?
Slowly.
I know. Just breathe. I'm sorry. Breathe. Breathe. Oh my God. Oh, breathe. Oh my God, I'm gonna barf.
No. No. Stop it.
Okay, I need you to hold this for me. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ah, fuck.
She's on. 1, 2, 3.
Ah.
That's it. Do you
So-
want to see it?
What precautions do I have to,
Oh, Lord.
nice and juicy?
Yeah.
It's not that bad. That was really up there, baby.
Oh, my Lord.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
So I need to see you in a week for. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this one out first, okay? There you go. Okay, hold on. Don't blow or anything out of your nose still, okay? Kind of weird, huh?
Is this okay?
I had a friend that just had it done like last week.
And you said they videoed it, right?
Yeah, so I'm gonna have a video with it.
Okay. You're gonna be tougher than he is, right?
Oh man. And
I don't think so, but
and the stitches
his didn't bleed at all.
Yeah, usually it's for about 5 minutes after. The stitches will stay in and dissolve.
Oh, okay, good.
I have stitches in it.
Inside you do. Yeah. Okay, let me get you some tissue.
Ian, it's filming if the red light's blinking, right?
Yeah.
Want me to check? If you can tell if it says time. Is there a time going? Yeah, it's going. There you go. Okay, so tissue.
Is this the padded room so that your
I just hold this and see.
clients can hear?
No. Okay, here we go. Get my head up here. Okay, this is straight. Here comes the packing. Sorry.
Oh man, Ian, you were
Yeah.
good.
You did good. Yeah.
All right, Kat. Might be enough.
Okay. Are you doing okay? You're tough.
Not enough, Ian?
You still want it recorded, Ian?
Check out. Give me a close up on this.
Okay.
I'm gonna vacuum your nose now. Okay, a little bit of a vacuum is good to let out. Okay, actually hold this down now.
sensation I've never
It
felt before.
is. Yeah, it is. Turn towards me a little bit. Okay. A little more towards me. Good.
You're tough, Ann.
He is tough. Okay. So I'm going to put a little bit of aspirin in there, which helps stop bleeding. It has a little bit of numbing in it. It's hard for it to really penetrate when you have all that mucus in there. That's why I took that out first.
Ooh.
Yay. You're glad that's over.
Mm-hmm.
You have your tissue still? Okay, just need to drip out, so I'm gonna put that in. Tastes bitter. That's good.
Wala na po sa doktor.
Let me have a good look. Let me take it back. So how many years are you friends?
Huh?
How many years are you friends?
30 or more. Oh! Oh, just keep pulling it. Oh!
Can you close the door?
Close the door behind you. Oh! Alright, go. Alright, wait.
You're gonna scare all the little kids out there.
Oh!
Now everybody will think what Dr. Chevy doing to you.
It's out, honey.
Let me have a look. Try not coughing. 1 second.
Okay.
No, 1 minute.
Oh!
This is small.
Oh!
I'm sorry.
Oh!
That's it. Keep your head straight. Keep your head straight.
Oh!
I'm sorry.
Oh!
I need to take it out.
Oh! Oh! Is it all out?
All out.
Oh!
Here.
Oh!
Here. Blow your nose.
Oh, I get to blow my nose.
Yeah, here.
Oh!
Blow with 2 hands.
Oh!
Head straight. Head straight.
Oh, I want more tissue.
I want you more tissue.
Oh, all right, Kathy, you can stop.
All right. So now I'm gonna take it out. There's 2 on one side, there's 2 on the other. Okay. So I'm gonna start on your right side, and then we're gonna work left. Okay. So just you can hang on. This is what I would do. Hang on to the chair. Just breathe.
Oh. Oh my.
You okay?
No.
You want a tissue? Just breathe. She really is evil. Here. You're okay. I know. It feels like I'm pulling your brain out.
Oh yeah, it did.
This is such a great payback for this whole week.
How long was that?
You can look at it. It's right there.
There's more on that side.
Yeah. I'm going to take out that side now. The right side. You're bleeding a little bit.
Oh my god. I want to die.
Do me a favor. Can you pinch this on your nose like that?
Oh yeah.
I'm going to spray your nose with some aspirin, okay?
Oh, that's gonna burn.
And it'll stop the bleeding. That's key.
Yeah.
Okay, let go for me. You okay?
I'm a pentacle girl.
That's okay. You're going to cry. You'll be surprised how many people do. I'm going to take out that side just to get it over with, okay? I know your nose feels full of junk right now, but rest your head back.
Hold on to the chair.
That's it. That's smaller, okay? That one's usually a lot easier.
Where'd it go?
Where to go? It's way up. Remember that I told you there's one in the sinus? Way up? That's where it is. Okay, halfway done. You okay? You want to get the other side over with?
No.
Well, we have to.
We wake up tomorrow.
Are
I'm
you
telling you, once
crying?
these are out, you're gonna be a whole new man. You're gonna be able to breathe.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
No. Oh.
That was easier.
Oh.
You didn't react like you did the first time. You're doing awesome. Okay, let's get the second one out, and you're done. You're done. It's done.